Hi everyone, welcome to Nano Elian and back to Git tutorial video series. In our previous session, we have learnt about installation of Git on a Windows based system. In today's video, I will talk about how to configure default Git credentials. Before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new content is uploaded. If you'd like to know clear understanding on how to configure default Git credentials, along with a practical demo, please watch this video completely till the end. Let's get started. How to configure default Git credentials on a Windows-based system. These default Git credentials will help track who has made the changes to the repository. For this, we need to open Git Bash first. With the configuration set in the installer during installation of Git, one can open Git Bash anywhere from our system. Right click on the desktop and select Git Bash here, then it opens Git Bash screen. To configure username, type the below command: git config -global user.name followed by actual username. That is, for instance, we need to type as git config -global user.name followed by your username. Here -global indicates that the settings will be saved at the machine level, and so no need to save these settings in every repository. Similarly, we can set email using the below command: git config -global user.email followed by actual user email. Example, git config -global user.email followed by our email which we need to configure, that is srini@nanoelian.com. Now to check whether these settings have been saved, use the below command: git config user.name. This command will display the username that has been set. Git config user.email. This command displays the user email that has been set. A quick recap on Git commands. Command to set username is git config -global user.name followed by actual username. The command to set user email is git config -global user.email followed by actual user email. Using the above Git commands, we can configure the default Git user credentials. These are some useful URL links for Git download. Let us try to understand this using a practical demo. Right click on the desktop, click on Git Bash here. It will open the Git Bash window. Here we need to type the commands. To configure the username, first need to type git config -global followed by user.name followed by the username which we need to configure. It configures the username. Now to configure the user email, we need to type git config -global user.email followed by the email address for the username which you would like to configure. Say I am typing srini@nanoelian.com. This configures the username and user email. Now to display the configured username, type the command git config user.name. It will display the username that has been configured. Now to display the user email that has been configured, type git config followed by user.email. It displays the user email which has been configured. This is how one can able to configure the default Git credentials. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Have a good day.